In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Monopoly Go from your Facebook apps and website settings to invalidate an active web login session. If you want to disconnect Monopoly Go from Facebook through your browser, this is a quick process and it can be useful if you want to stop an existing web connection and refresh your account access. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to facebook.com/settings. This will take you directly to your Facebook settings area, where you can manage different account connections and permissions. If Facebook asks you to sign in first, go ahead and log into your account so you can access the settings page. When you're on the settings screen, look for the section called Apps and Websites. This area shows the apps, games, and websites that are currently connected to your Facebook account or have used Facebook login in the past. Click on Apps and Websites to open that section. After that, look through the list of connected apps until you find Monopoly Go. Depending on how many apps are linked to your account, you may need to scroll a little to locate it. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct app before moving forward. Once you find Monopoly Go, click Remove. This action disconnects the app from your Facebook account in that web session and invalidates the active login connection associated with it. In other words, it forces that connected web access to stop, which can help if you want to sign out of the app on the web or reset the connection before logging in again. As you do this, Facebook may show a confirmation message before completing the removal. If that appears, simply confirm that you want to remove Monopoly Go. After that, the app should no longer appear as an active connected app in this section. One important thing to keep in mind is that removing the app from Facebook may require you to log in again later if you want to reconnect it. So if your goal is to fully reset the web login session, this is exactly the step you need. And that's it. Open Chrome, go to Facebook settings, select apps and websites, find Monopoly Go, and remove it to invalidate the active web login session. If you're following along while doing it yourself, just take your time and make sure each click is in the right place.